Welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today we'll be learning about NotebookLM. We will be using the mind mapping tool. For this activity, we'll be breaking down a social studies unit of study. For this activity, we'll be using the following tools: NotebookLM and a PDF of unit of study, in this case, Geography of New York State. The very first step is to open up your web browser, click on the address bar at the top, and type in notebooklm.google.com. You will then click on the Create a New Notebook icon. You will then drag the files that you need. In this case, the unit of study, Geography of New York State. You will attach it and click Open. As you can see, it's working. Pause here and try for yourself. Mind map is a graphic organizer that mimics the way our brains naturally think, not in a list, but in bursts of connected idea. It is a powerful tool because it moves teachers and students away from note-taking and towards visual processing. Let's click on the Mind Map button, which is on the right-hand side. Pause here and try for yourself. Our output is located at the bottom right hand. Let's explore. Each section will expand using the arrows, and each topic can be analyzed with AI. For example, if you click on Framework arrows, it will expand. And essential questions will continue to expand. You can click on any given topic, and AI will generate information. This information is provided with the document that we uploaded earlier. You can go back and expand the map and close the map. You can minimize. This activity can help students clarify large concepts and dive deep into details. For educators, you can prompt for activity creations using the documents. For example, we will select one of the topics here and we will create our prompt. Our prompt reads as follows: create a lesson plan on climate based on the attached document. The plan should be tailored for students with disabilities reading at a second grade level and include differentiation across 3 tiers. We'll submit. Pause here and try for yourself. It will give us the vocabulary, the introduction and hook, and the 3 differentiations. It is very important to check your output and to refine if needed. Use AI responsibly and consider environmental impact. Thanks for watching. For more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI. Thanks for watching.